Mjctu Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Associations, Mjctu, and the All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC Meghalaya Unit, in a press conference announced their in-house sit-in demonstration to protest against the rise in price of essential commodities and the daily hike in fuel prices in the state. Speaking at a press conference, the General Secretary of the Mjctu, J.L. Das, informed that the sit-in demonstration was held as a result of the skyrocketing price rise of commodities and fuel within the state of Meghalaya. As price hike has affected everyone, it is but necessary for the Trade Union of Meghalaya to stage the demonstration along with the rest of the country, where a similar problem is being faced by the general public, Das added. He also reminded that all protocols and SOPs issued by the state government have been strictly adhered to during the protest.
Common people as well as the daily wage earner have been confronting with the price rise because of the daily basis fuel price hike as well as the skyrocketing price rise of essential items. So we have decided Mjctu Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and Association, which is an apex trade union body in the state of Meghalaya, as well as All India Trade Union Congress, that is AITUC, it is All India body. We jointly
J.L. Das, while expressing his concerns over price hike of various commodities, said that before the by-elections in the state, the government had assured the public of a solution to the problem. However, the union felt that the assurance has been short-lived, as even after the by-elections, prices are still soaring, and this has tested the tolerance of the members of the trade union in the state.
Just government is befuddling us. You see that before the by-election, 30th there was a by-election. Before that, they stopped the rising of the fuel price hike, this and that. Immediately after result declared, they started the daily basis hiking. Yesterday, the petrol prices hiked by 24 paisa. So all these things beyond tolerance. We cannot tolerate all these things. That's why we decided to go for this demonstration. We have demonstrated and we're arguing about the government of Meghalaya. So our Chief Secretary to look into the matter. And those who the problem which cannot be solved at the state level, I will request our Chief Secretary to bring the matter to the notice of the central government, because Chief Secretary is the appropriate authority to take over this matter and to bring the notice to state as well as central government.